Jaipur, so let's get going.
We came to Jaipur in the Duronto Express 3-tier AC. It costed us around 1500 per head. We took a Uber from station to our hostel. So for our days in Jaipur, we are staying at the Hosteler, and it's kind of like a backpacking experience. That's the reason we chose Hosteler, and we didn't wanted to get into the hustle and bustle of hotels. So, and it's a pretty place. I'm gonna swipe in a room tour of the hostel room that we got. It's a 6-bed female dorm, and it's gorgeous and very clean. At 6 p.m. that day, we decided to head out and see Hawa Mahal, which is very close to Hosteler, and we wanted to shop at the street market because it's amazing. We took a rickshaw, which costed us like 20 bucks each. Bargain well and don't act like fancy tourists while shopping.
Hi Joshua, did you get the picture?
Yes.
I had this awesome egg puff the last time I had come to Hawa Mahal, and it was still there. It's day 1, guys, and we are leaving for Amber Fort right now and a sunrise point. So I'll take you along, and this is how I look. So guys, everyone's getting ready, getting their stuff together. Yay. Yeah.
हम लोग तो कॉफी पीते हो, चाय क्यों पी रहे हो? ठंडी कैसी है यहाँ पे?
We got here by Uber.
तुम्हारा बाकी रह गया था,
It
फिर
was
से बोलो।
cold, like very cold. We woke up at around I think 6 o'clock, and by 7:38 we were here. We had reached out to a photographer before coming to Jaipur, as all 4 of us were very serious about pictures, and we became such good friends with him. Thanks to Divyansh, our Jaipur trip was so amazing. We are at Sunrise Point, and it's quite beautiful. We had to walk a lot, but it's totally worth it. And look how gorgeous it is. Look at the view behind me. Look at the sun falling on my face. And this sun is very welcoming because it's been very cold. I think it's something around 13 degrees, but it's so beautiful. We grabbed a quick bite outside Amir Fort and headed to Pannamina Ka Kund. Hi guys, so we are at Pannamina Ka Kund, and it's one of the very well-known step wells, and it's gorgeous and it's very beautiful to look at. You can't go much further in, but look at how gorgeous this looks. I mean, the symmetry and everything. This is a Ganesh temple right opposite Pannamina Kund, and it is one of the most breathtaking places I have seen. We headed back to the hostel after this. The hosteler has a rooftop, which is gorgeous. It has a swing and a cafe, which serves delicious food. They had a bonfire with a jamming session of like Bollywood songs last night, and it was quite fun. And it's day 2 in Jaipur, and our today's plan is Patrika Gate, Hawa Mahal and City Palace, and we are also going to Amer because yesterday we didn't go inside, we had other plans. Today we're gonna go and get in as soon as possible. It opens at 8 o'clock, so yeah, let's keep tuned. We went back to Amer Fort because of day 1 was super crowded. We got it cheap for rupees 500. You can get a ticket at rupees 100, but if you have a college ID, it's just 10 bucks. Amer is magnificent. It's so culturally rich. These gardens are one of the specialities along with the Sheesh Mahal, and it's quite huge. Patrika Gate, and it's one of the most Instagrammable places in Jaipur, and it's so gorgeous. It's entirely pink, and good gracious, we've got less crowd. So look at how gorgeous this looks, and you also have this Rajasthan selfie stand. Patrika Gate is actually hand painted, the whole gate. So we are right now inside City Palace and it's gorgeous. We just took the normal pass, but you can also take like the premium pass and get to see the Blue Walls and Sheesh Mahal and everything. This is how the palace is looking. All the 4 famous gates represent 4 seasons. The day was called off with 2 rounds of chai and samosa right opposite Hosteler. Day 3 of Jaipur and our final day here. We are entering Hawa Mahal. The entry fee is ₹50, but with college IDs, it's ₹5. We are inside Hawa Mahal and it's beautiful. I never really thought what was inside this, but it was supposed to be like a palace and it does do justice to what it is. Though it's pink on the outside, it's yellow on the inside, like a pastel shade of yellow. But it's so pretty. Just inside Hawa Mahal and right now we are sitting with this amazing view and waiting for our breakfast. It's in a cafe called Wind View and it gives you this gorgeous view of Hawa Mahal, and that's my girl.
We're in Hawa Mahal. Sorry. We're in Hawa Mahal. Hi.
But मैं लस्सी खाबो क्यों चालू है? मैं बंगाल में कैसे पहुंच गई?
New cafe. बहुत मारूंगी यार.
चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा है.
मारूंगी.
This is the beginning of my nose ring obsession. I bought 5 of them for ₹30 each in this shop next to Windview Cafe. This was our last night in Hosteler and we got to see the puppet show, which is like the highlight. Jaipur was our first trip together and we bonded it so much better as friends. We became so close and I'm really gonna miss this place.